Hello, hello. We had a great but cold, chilly night last night. Definitely the coldest night we've had in what, weeks?
A long time.
Like I had to put my puffy on and
Same.
everything. It was cold. We had some ponies that came and like tramped through our campsite area. They were neighing and then they just kind of bolted off. That was cute.
Yeah.
Today we've got 16 miles, 3,000 feet of ascent, and we're going to this Raccoon Creek campsite, it's called.
That used to be a shelter.
It used to be a shelter, yeah, now I guess it's torn down. So it's just tenting there, but that'll be cool. And look at this, clear blue skies. We're very lucky, so
Yay.
the weather is in our favor today.
Our tents are dry.
Yay! Yeah, all right, off we go. We made it back to this beautiful pine forest. It smells so good. We miss these. Well, this has essentially been the trail for the last hour. It's downhill, but it's really rocky and there's tons of roots. So we just have to be very careful about where we step. We've reached Old Orchard Shelter. We're just taking a quick little stop here and then we'll continue on. Looks like nothing too fancy, but nice little fire pit down here. And some pretty tenting areas over there. All right, lunch number one for me is a pepperoni and cheese wrap. All right, and here is lunch number two. I meant to get buffalo chicken, but instead I got tuna. But you know what they say? When life gives you tuna, make buffalo tuna wraps. I guess I've got some falling tree issues around here. I thought this tape was interesting. I've never seen this. Killer tree. Okay, we made it to the campsite. You can see it here, but the vibes are off. We're not feeling it. It's a little small and we're only like 2 or 3 miles from where we're going. So we got Spruce here and Alice. What do you guys think? We're pushing on?
Yeah, we're gonna do it.
All right, we're gonna do it. You guys look so excited. Yeah.
Great.
All right, on we go. Okay, we ended up making it. 20-mile day after all this. Here is the Trimpy campsite. I'm glad we made it here. When we got here, the shelter over here was completely empty, so we've decided to stay here for the night. And here's our shelter. Sorry, it's a little dark here, but I'm gonna be sleeping up in the top deck here. Alice is down here. You're rolling your feet out. Looks comfy. All right, so we're going to call it a night. We've got the shelter pretty much all to ourselves, which is nice. Hopefully it stays that way. Fingers crossed. Hopefully we don't have any mice scampering across our face. And hopefully I don't fall off the upper deck. Otherwise, that might end my journey here. Yeah.
I'll catch you.
Today was great, though. 20 miles, our first 20-mile day.
Yep.
Feet are a little sore, but feel pretty good other than that.
Yeah. I think my knees are definitely sore. But that's okay. Nothing a little ibuprofen and some pain cream can't solve.
Mm-hmm. That's right.
Yeah, and we get to sleep in a nice bed tomorrow, so that should help as
Yeah.
well.
And since we did more miles today, we only have 10 miles tomorrow, so it'll be nice and short. And then more time in town. It's going to be good.
Yeah. It's going to be great.
Cool.
It's been a good push this time around.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
All right, well, good night and hike on, happy hikers. We'll see you tomorrow.